Hello. Okay. We're just gonna wait for some more friends to join, but we'll start soon, okay? Hi, Maddie. We're gonna start soon, okay? We're just waiting for some other friends. Maddie, do you have a question? Yeah? Okay, I'm trying to unmute you. There you go. You can, oh.
What is the ketchup for?
What do we need the ketchup for? We're gonna do an experiment. You're gonna see.
And what is with the coins?
The coins, you're gonna see in just a minute.
For sink or float?
Are they gonna sink or float? Maybe. Or we can see maybe what cleans them the best.
I already did sink and float the first time I did this.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, while we're waiting, I just wanna make sure everybody has their 5 pennies, and then everybody has dish soap. You can have Coke or Pepsi or some type of soda, vinegar, ketchup, lemon juice. Give your lemon juice, Maddie. Baking soda, a straw or a dropper, food coloring, a bowl, and then paper towels.
Are the paper towels for the experiment or just to clean up?
Just to clean up. We're gonna dry the pennies after with the paper towels.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna wait 1 more minute and then we're gonna get started to make sure that everybody's here.
Maddie, do you have a question? Go for it.
What are the straws for?
The straws are for our experiment. You'll see soon, I promise. Okay, we're just gonna wait 1 more minute. Steven, we're waiting on a couple people, right?
Yeah, there's usually a lot more than this.
Okay. Okay. So we're just going to wait a couple more seconds.
All right. I don't know where all our friends are, but
Okay, let's get started. Is that okay?
yeah, I think that'll be fine.
Okay. All right. So, hi, everybody. I'm Peyton. I know that usually you guys have had Skylar, but I'm going to step in for her today. I'm really excited to get to know you guys all, and I'm really excited to have science today with you all. So first, I just wanted to make sure that everybody has all their materials. So does everybody have their 5 pennies? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Thumbs up if you have them. Yes? Oh, great. I see everybody. Okay. And then also, does everybody have their dish soap? Dish soap, thumbs up. Thumbs down. Oh, are we getting some dish soap?
Yep, looks like one person's getting some.
Okay. Sounds good. We just want our dish soap and then also our Coke or Pepsi or some type of soda.
Maddie, do you have another question?
Yeah, Maddie. Here, I can unmute you.
My dad got some 5 pennies.
5 pennies? Perfect. Perfect. Sounds good. And then everybody have their lemon juice and their vinegar? Thumbs up?
Yep,
Thumbs up. I see
thumbs
a few
up.
thumbs up.
All right, cool.
Okay, cool. So we're going to get started with this experiment. So does anybody know what a hypothesis is? Do you want to raise our hand?
Hap?
Is it like some sort of idea or like idea to do something?
It's like a guess before we do our experiment. So we're going to take some guesses. We have all of our different liquids. We have our dish soap and our ketchup and our vinegar, our Coke and our lemon juice. So we're going to go around and we're going to guess which liquid we think is best going to clean our pennies. So which one's going to make our pennies the shiniest? Okay? So we're going to go around and we're each going to say what we think. Okay? Which one? Our Coke, our lemon juice, our dish soap, our ketchup, and our vinegar. Okay? So Hap, do you want to go first? Oh, he walked away. Okay. Maddie, do you want to go first?
Name's not Maddie.
Oh, okay. There's a different Maddie, but Mackie, would you like to go first since you're ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I think we're gonna turn our coin shiny.
And which one do you think is gonna make it the shiniest?
The lemon juice.
The lemon juice? Okay, I'm gonna write that down, and then at the end, I'm gonna write everybody's down, and we're gonna see which one. Okay? Who else?
What do we use the limes for? What do we use the limes for?
That's one of the things that we're gonna put our pennies in. So Jonah, do you wanna guess?
No, but what? But do we make lime juice? Or do we just have...
Yeah, you can squeeze your lime into a cup. I use lemon, but you can use lime. Right. And you can just put it in a cup. Maddie, would you like to take a guess? Okay, what would you like? What do you think?
I think soda will clean the pennies.
Soda? Okay. I'm going to put you down for soda. Does anybody else have a guess?
Hap?
Hap, do you have a guess?
Ooh.
My guess it would be the dish soap because at Sarah says soap.
Dish soap. Yep, that would make sense, right? Okay. Anybody else have a guess?
I don't see anyone else's hands.
Anybody else? Juliet and Iris, do you guys want to take a guess? You don't have to if you don't want to. Just anybody who wants to. No one else? Okay. All right, so we're gonna get started. Okay, so I'm gonna move this back so you guys can see. And we're gonna line up all of our different substances. And then we're gonna take our pennies. Does everybody have their substances ready and their pennies? Can I have a thumbs up? Is everybody ready almost? I'm gonna wait a couple seconds till everybody gives me a thumbs up. Thumbs down, okay, that's okay. We can wait a second until everyone's ready. While we're waiting, does anybody know why pennies turn brown? Does anybody have a guess? Yeah, do you have a guess? Here, I can, go ahead.
Because different people touch them, and maybe they touch the ground, so it's probably really dirty.
Yeah, that's a good guess.
That's my brother.
That's your brother, I assumed.
Older than me.
Older than you? How much older than you?
7.
He's 7, and how old are you?
He's already in first grade.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm about like 1.5 years older than her.
That's
You're
right.
6.
1.5 years.
My oldest cousin is in my cousin's school.
How do you have a guess?
Go for it. There you go.
I think it's because, well, if you watch The Wizard of Oz, the Tin Can guy rushed this up. And, well, I think that would be the same thing with the penny.
Yeah, that's a really good guess. Does anybody else have a guess? No? Okay. So pennies are made of copper, and when copper is exposed to oxygen, it makes it turn brown because of chemical reactions. And the brown coating actually protects the metal underneath. And then over time, the copper transitions from super shiny to super dark like this. So like a penny that was maybe made in 2020, which is the year we're in right now, would be super shiny. But my penny was made in 1985, which was before even I was born, way before I was born, is a lot dirtier, right? Because it's exposed to oxygen. And like you guys said, people touch it, it falls on the ground, and it gets dirty as well. Yes, Hap?
So it's basically like an apple when it like turns brown.
Yeah.
Turns brown. Because when it's oxygen, it just turns brown.
Kind of like that, exactly. Exactly. Okay, does everybody have their ingredients already? Do you all have your lemon juice, your Coke, your dish soap, ketchup, and vinegar? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, I see a bunch of thumbs up.
Yep.
Yep, everyone ready? Okay, so we're gonna take one penny, our first penny. Can everybody show me their penny? Show me your pennies. Let's see them. Okay, and we're gonna drop our first penny in our lemon juice. We're just gonna drop it in. And now we're gonna take our second penny. Can everybody show me the second penny? And we're gonna drop it in the Coke. And then our third penny. And we're gonna drop it in the dish soap. And then our fourth penny. Can everybody hold up their fourth penny? We're gonna drop it in the ketchup. And I'm gonna make sure mine didn't go all the way in. So I'm gonna shake it so that it's all the way in. I'm gonna make sure all my pennies are all the way in. And then the last one, we're gonna take our last penny and we're gonna drop it in the vinegar. Make sure it gets in there. Okay, and I'm gonna wait a second because I see some people are still putting their pennies in. While we're waiting, does anybody else want to take a guess? There's still so many of you who haven't taken a guess. What do you guys think? Hap, do you want to take another guess?
I actually had a change of pace.
Okay.
I have 3 hypotheses.
Okay, let's hear them.
I would think it might be the lemon juice because I've learned something about lemon juice, but I do not know how to explain it. And also vinegar, the same thing with the lemon juice, and the dish soap because it's basically, well, soap. And wait, do we use the bowls for that? Because, yeah, we don't have...
Yeah, you can use bowls, cups, any container that you have. So you think that it might be the dish soap, the lemon juice, or the vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else?
I do not think the actual food is actually going to do it.
Yeah, you don't think so? Like the ketchup?
Yeah.
Or the Coke? You don't think?
Yeah, but my mom and dad are going to let me drink the Coke after.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yes, victory for half.
That's a nice treat.
Brian,
Happy?
Oh.
Anybody else have a guess? Brian, do you have a guess?
Yes. I think Coke.
You think Coke?
Okay.
Come on, Coke.
Okay, so for everybody who hasn't taken a guess, I'm going to say a substance, and if you guys think that it's going to be that one, you're going to give me a thumbs up, okay? Okay, so who thinks it's going to be the lemon juice? Anybody?
I see a thumb. I see 2 thumbs.
Okay.
With lemon
I'm gonna
juice.
write that down.
Oh, 3. 3 thumbs now.
3 thumbs. Okay. Who thinks it's going to be the Coke?
I see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 thumbs for the
4
Coke.
thumbs for Coke, okay. Who thinks it's going to be the dish soap?
I see 1, 2, 3. 3 for dish soap.
3 for dish soap. Who thinks it's going to be the ketchup?
No?
Why not? I'll vote for ketchup. 1.
Okay, we have 1 for ketchup. And who thinks it's going to be the vinegar?
1. I'll give it with you. I think the vinegar too, you guys.
Okay, we have 2 for vinegar.
3. 4.
3.
I see 4.
4.
4.
5.
Oh, wow.
Oh, 5.
Okay,
Wow.
okay. So we're going to see. So we're going to let these sit for a little bit, and we're going to put them to the side, and we're going to do the next activity. And then at the end, we're going to come back and see which one cleans the penny the best.
Wait. Peyton and Steven, what are your predictions?
I think that it's...
I went ketchup. I went rogue.
You want ketchup? I think that it's going to be the dish soap because, you know, dish soap cleans dishes,
right?
so why not clean our pennies? Or the vinegar, because the vinegar smells really, really strong, and so I think maybe the smells will make the penny clean.
I also agree. I think it's going to be the vinegar. I think the vinegar will maybe clean it a little bit better.
Yeah, because it smells. It's
Okay, write those down.
I don't know, Ashley. The ketchup's a little bit thick. I don't know if it's...
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not feeling confident in my choice. I chose it, and that's what's happening.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna move I'm gonna move my cups all to the side, and I'm gonna get ready for the next activity. So I just wanna make sure everybody has a bowl or a container, and then baking soda. Can everyone show me their baking soda? All right, I'm gonna let everybody switch really quick. Everyone has their, I see some baking soda.
Yep.
And then also vinegar. My vinegar, I put it in a little cup, but you can put it in any container you want. And then also I have a straw that I'm gonna use, like a little dropper, but you guys can use a dropper if you have that too. And then also I have my food coloring. Okay, so everybody give me a thumbs up once you have all of your ingredients. Here, I'll put this here. So. Mackie, do you have a question?
Yes. Will we need coloring food?
Food coloring, yes. If you want to make it colored, you don't have to make it a color, but I love to make my color.
Okay.
Okay, is everybody ready? Give me a thumbs up once you're ready.
I'm not ready.
You're not ready? That's okay. We can wait a second. Brian, do you have a question?
What's in that one with the straw? What's in there?
Oh, this is vinegar.
Yeah.
So while we're waiting, let's make some observations. So is our baking soda, is it a solid? Is it a liquid? Maybe we can, does it smell funny? Can somebody tell me? What color is it?
Marilyn and Desiree, I think you two are arguing about it.
Maddie, do you see what color it is?
I think it's a solid.
You think it's a solid? Yeah, it's a solid. It's like a powdery solid, right? Maddie, yeah?
Where you going?
What's a solid?
My color of this
Yeah.
is white.
Peyton.
It's white. Yep, mine's white too. Is everybody else's white? Yeah. And I'm gonna feel it. I'm gonna feel mine. Look, mine's like this. It's like a rock, but then when I go like this, it turns into a powder.
Peyton.
Yes.
In 8 days, it's going to be my mom's birthday.
It is. Happy birthday to your mom.
Thank you.
Okay, and then also, can we make some observations about our vinegar? I know that I can smell mine from all the way over here. Can somebody tell me maybe what color it is, or if it's a liquid or a solid or a gas? Does anybody have any observations? Okay, well, I'm gonna make some observations.
Oh, right here, we have one.
Oh, we have one?
It looks like water.
It looks a little bit like water. Yeah, mine looks a little bit like water too, except mine has it looks a little bit yellow. And also it smells so bad.
Peyton.
Yeah.
Do we pour our thing that we
Baking
put
soda.
baking soda in our bowl?
Oh, so we're gonna get to that in 1 second. After we're done making our observations, I'll go step by step, okay?
Why did you pour yours?
Oh, because I was just showing you how it just turned from a rock to like a powder. But it's okay. We're not there yet. Does anybody else have any observations? What about any observations about our food coloring? Oh, mine looks a little funny. This.
Peyton, I have an observation. Can you use 6 colors?
You can use different colors, but it might turn brown. So I recommend using one color. Or if you want like purple, you can mix blue and red. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Does everybody have their supplies in front of them? Yeah, thumbs up. Olive, I see your thumbs up. Thank you. Everyone ready? Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our vinegar. Does everybody have their vinegar in a cup or a container? Yeah, can I get a thumbs up? If you don't, maybe have like mom or dad help you pour it into a container.
Looking good.
Looking good? Okay. And we're gonna pick a color. So we're making leprechaun sand. So since we're gonna make leprechaun sand, I'm gonna choose the color green. And also I have ginger hair, so I'll look like a leprechaun. So I'm gonna pour 2 drops of my food coloring into my vinegar, and I'm gonna mix, mix, mix until it all turns green. You see that? See how it's green? And if I wanna make it a little darker, I'm gonna make it a little darker. I'm gonna add 2 more drops. And then I'm gonna mix, mix, mix. Okay, and then once everybody's done doing that, can you show me? I want to see what color everybody chose. What color did you choose? Jonah, I see you chose yellow. Miles, what color did you choose?
Green. Nice.
Green. Mackie chose red. Maddie chose blue. Olive, what color did you choose? You want to show me? You can just lift it up. Oh, you chose green too, right? Yeah? Let's see. Juliet and Iris, what color did you guys choose? You can just show me. You choose blue. You chose blue.
Nice.
Nice. Everybody's looks good. Yes, Maddie, do you have a question? Yeah.
Go for it. Oh, did it go away? Here, try. There you go.
Do you know why I have this color blue? Because why I picked it? Because my watch is blue and my favorite color is blue.
So it's all gonna match at the end. Perfect. Love that. Love that. Okay. So now we're going to take our, Mackie, do you have a question?
Can you add another color?
So if you want to, you can, but it might turn brown. What color did you choose? Red?
Well, I chose red and I want to make mine purple.
Yours purple. So if you want to make yours purple, you can add a little bit of blue and mix it, and then it'll turn purple.
Yeah, I'm gonna add my blue color.
Okay, is everybody ready for the next step? So now you're gonna take your bowl, an empty bowl. Mine has a little bit of baking soda in it, but that's okay, because we're gonna add baking soda right now. Okay, and we're gonna take our baking soda, and you don't really have to measure it. You can just put it so that it covers the bottom of your bowl. So I'm just gonna pour mine in, and if they're chunks, see how mine came out like a chunk like this? It's really fun. You can just break it like that and break it close to the bottom of your bowl. And then you can put in as much baking soda as you want, but however much baking soda you have is gonna be how much sand you have. So I'm gonna add a little bit more just so that I have some more sand. And I'm gonna break the clumps so that it's all powdery. Even the little clumps, I'm gonna get in there and break them up. Okay, now I have all mine like that, broken up. So see, it covers the bottom of the bowl like that. You can add more. You don't have to add as much, just as much sand as you'd like. Has everybody done that? Give me a thumbs up once you have. Thumbs up, thank you, Olive. Okay, we're gonna wait a couple more seconds.
Laya gives us a thumbs up, nice.
Yes.
Mackie, thumbs up.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna start with the next step. So now I'm gonna stick my straw in my vinegar, and I'm just gonna put my finger on the top of the straw, and look, it sucks up all the vinegar. See? And then I'm gonna drop my vinegar in to my baking soda. And did you guys hear that? Did you hear the reaction? Listen. Do you hear the bubbles? You can listen on yours too. And I'm gonna keep dropping my vinegar into my baking soda until all of my baking soda is covered and looks green. But I don't want it to be too liquidy. So I still want it to be kind of a solid. But isn't that so cool? Can everybody do it and everybody listen? Everybody listen to the reaction. Do you hear it?
Laya, do you have a question?
Yeah. Can I try putting some baking soda through the jar when there's already food coloring in there, and then put it into the other baking soda?
Like if your baking soda is too liquidy, you're saying add baking soda? Okay, do you mind saying that again?
Like putting it through the straw when I already have some food coloring in there, and seeing if it can sizzle through the straw.
Oh, putting the baking soda in the straw?
Yeah.
Sure, if you want to, you can do that.
Science, try anything, you know? Try a new experiment.
Yeah, exactly. Tell me how it, can you tell me how it works? Tell me if you still hear the sizzle. So I'm gonna keep putting mine in until all my baking soda is covered and looks green, but it isn't too liquidy. But if it's too liquidy, it's okay, because all you have to do is just add some baking soda and it's fixed. So I'm gonna keep putting it in. And do you guys see the bubbles? Look, watch this. Whoa, isn't that cool? So we're gonna keep dropping it in. I put a lot of baking soda, so mine's taking a little while.
What's up, Ariana Desiree? What's your question?
Can we just pour the cup inside? Because we poured a lot of baking soda.
Sure, but make sure it's not too liquidy. But if it is too liquidy, you can just add some more baking soda.
Okay, thank you.
If that's easier for you, then you can do that. But I suggest, because you put a lot of baking soda, but I suggest using your dropper.
Okay.
Okay, so now once your baking soda is all covered with green, I have a few more spots. You can stick your hands in there, and now it's like sand. Look at mine. Mine's like sand. See? Isn't that cool?
Awesome.
Isn't that so cool? I know. And mine is a little bit light green, so I might add some green and work it in there. But this is so fun. And it's just like sand. And look, it's green in my hair, so it's like I'm a leprechaun playing with the sand, playing with the leprechaun sand. This is so fun. Tell me when you guys have stuck your hands in. I want to see everybody's sand. Are we still dropping? I see a lot of people still dropping.
Yeah, I think they're still dropping it in. It's looking good, everyone. Maddie, I see your blue one's coming out. Awesome.
Whoa, Hab, if you want to add some baking soda, because it looks like it's a little bit liquidy. So see how mine's kind of chunky like that? Yours going to be a little chunky like that. You want it to be chunky so that it feels like sand. Yeah, so exactly. So just add some baking soda and then mix it in. See, I put a little bit more food coloring, but I don't want to touch it because I don't want my hands to turn green. So I'm just mixing it with my straw.
Looks good, Laya. Yep, you added a little bit more to the liquidy mixture that you've got. Ariana and Desiree, I see the purple or pink. I don't know, it looks a little pink on my end. It's purple.
It's purple. Okay. Looks good. How's yours looking, Jonah? Is it working? Thumbs up?
There you go. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's working.
It's working.
Awesome.
Yeah, do you want to show it to her? See what? Ask her if you need more or not.
Let's see it. Oh, that looks good. Is it clumpy? There we go. That looks perfect.
Oh, good.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
Brian, how's it going? Good. Oh, that looks good.
Nice.
That looks good. So now that I've made mine, I'm gonna make different shapes. Yeah, Brian, do you have a question?
First, ours turned out too clumpy because I added too much liquid. So then we added too much baking soda. So then we had to make a second batch, which turned out better.
Oh, perfect. I'm so glad. It's always fixable, right? No mistakes. Yep. How's it going, Mackie? Good? You wanna make some shapes with yours? I think I'm gonna make mine into a leprechaun. I'm gonna make it the head.
It's going well.
It's going well.
But then mine turned into not purple sand.
It turned into purple?
No.
Oh, it didn't. What color?
I used too much of it.
Oh, you did.
I used a squirter.
Oh. So mine's getting a little liquidy as I'm playing with it. I think it's because I added some food coloring. So I'm just going to add a little bit of more baking soda and I'm just going to work it in. Just like that. It's fixable. See? Mine's clumpy again.
Mackie, do you have a question?
When do we move on to the next experiment?
The next experiment, we're going to play with our sand for a little bit and we're going to wait till everybody has perfected their sand recipe and then we're going to see. I still see my pennies soaking.
How does it feel?
Ooh, it feels cool.
Doesn't it? So cool.
Hop, how's yours coming out, bud?
We're adding a
Good.
Yep. Does anybody need help? Is anybody's too liquidy or too dry? Leah, do you need help? No? Oh, okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna make a snowman now. Even though it's summer, maybe I'll make a summer snowman and I'll make him so that he's like Olaf and he can't melt. So I'm gonna make it in my bowl. Olive, how's yours coming? Is it good? Yeah? Oh, good. Maddie, yours is good? Are you gonna make it into a shape? No.
No. All of your hands are turning a little blue.
It's okay, it washes out. Juliet and Iris, how's yours? Sorry, guys. How's yours? Good? Thumbs up? Yeah?
Awesome.
Can I see? Whoa, I like that color. The light blue. Oh.
Nice.
Nice. What shapes are you guys making it into? Oh, I love that. I love that blue. What are some shapes you're making it into? I love that blue. It looks so good. And as you guys play with it, if it gets a little bit wet, you can add some more. Hap, how's it going? Let's see, good? Is it sand now? Oh, good, I see. A little liquidy still, you can add more baking soda. Okay, so we're gonna play, you can play with this for a couple more minutes. Has everybody perfected theirs and it's sand? Yeah? Okay. Jonah, are you making yours into a shape? Or are you just playing with it? It's kind of fun to just stick your hands in and play with.
I'm just playing with it.
You're just playing with it?
Mm-hmm.
It's fun, huh? It reminds me of like moon sand a little bit. Ariana and Desiree, how's it going? Good? Cool. Cool. Miles, how's it going?
There he is.
Oh, there he is. How's it going? Sorry. Good?
I was just making cinnamon covered strawberries.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Those sound delicious, though.
Yeah, those do sound good. Wow, that looks good.
Awesome.
That looks really good. All right, so now we're gonna put this to the side. If you guys have a Ziploc baggie, you can put it into your Ziploc.
Do you want to put it in a Ziploc bag? Yes.
And we can save it for later. I'm gonna put mine to the side and I'm gonna wipe off my hands.
I do like
Yes, do you want to?
Okay. So once, oh, I still see some friends putting theirs into plastic baggies.
Yep.
Okay, perfect.
Give you guys another couple minutes.
Yeah, no worries.
Brian, do you have a question?
I'm also hiding in some gold coins.
Oh.
So I'm making a golden version.
Yeah, it can be like a treasure hunt, right?
Yeah, for a leprechaun it would be.
Yeah.
This is a great leprechaun trap now that I'm thinking of it.
Right. Okay, when you guys are all cleaned up, give me a thumbs up and it's in your baggie. And if you guys want to go rinse your hands, if they're really sticky, you can. No worries. We'll wait for everybody until we see which penny is the cleanest. Okay, I'll wait till everybody's back. If you want to go wash your hands, Olive, if you want to go wash your hands really quick, we'll wait. No. I know they can be messy. Mine are still a little sticky. I rinsed them in water, but still. Looks good, Hap.
Oh, you're trying to talk. Sorry, buddy. There you go.
I call this kind of like liquid, but it's a solid because like it moves very easily, but when you try to press down on it, it's like super hard.
Yeah, so when we combine the liquid and the solid, it still is solid, right? But there was a reaction that was kind of like a gas, right?
Yeah, I feel like this is like all in one.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of all in one because when you mix the vinegar and the baking soda, just like, have you guys ever made a volcano before and you put baking soda and vinegar and it makes a huge explosion? It's kind of like that. Except there was more baking soda this time, so it turned out to be a solid. Okay. Everybody give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Juliet and Iris, it looks like they went to go wash their hands. Oh, you're all good, Olive? You're blue hands.
They'll wash out.
Mine are a little green. Mine are a little green. Okay, Maddie, you're good. Looks like Mackie went to go wash her hands. Hap went to go. Okay, we'll wait a second till everybody's back. Wow, that looks good, Maddie. Is it fun to play with? Even in the plastic baggie, is it fun to play with on the outside? Yeah, and mush it. Okay. There's some baking soda on my table. Okay, see, almost everyone's back. Oh, wow, Olive, that's so blue. That looks so
Awesome.
good. That looks so good. Oh, I see people still putting it in their baggie. Okay. How's it going, Jonah? Good?
Nope. You guys able to-
There you go. Go ahead. Thank you, Doctor.
So good. It's doing good.
It's doing well? Okay, good.
Awesome.
Oh, it's not staying.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying
Okay,
You have to put
if
your
you
foot
guys
over it.
are ready,
I am putting it
Huh?
if you guys are ready, then we're gonna bring back all of our lemon juice and our Coke and our ketchup and dish soap and vinegar. And I'll wait till everybody's ready, but just in case you're waiting, we can do that in the meantime. And then also make sure you guys have paper towels ready. Because we have to clean them off, right? It's like I can barely even see my one in the Coke because it's kind of the same color. I lost it in there. Here, I'm gonna move my green. All right, give me a thumbs up when you guys are ready and you have your cups or your bowls right in front of you again. Looks good. We're almost there. Still cleaning up. All right. Ariana and Desiree, you guys are ready. Olive's ready. Sounds good. Okay, I'm still waiting on a few friends. Ariana and Desiree, did your sand come out well? Good. Good. Okay, who needs some more time? Is anybody not there yet? Brian, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get my paper towel ready so that I can wipe them all off. Okay. Brian, are you ready? No, not yet? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait 2 more minutes. Yeah, Brian?
I'm making a lot of leprechaun sand. I'm making it like a gold mine for leprechauns.
That's super cool. That's super cool. In a minute, if you just want to pause that so that you can see the pennies, or if you don't want to do your own pennies, it's okay. You can just look
I've seen the pennies already.
Oh, okay.
I already know which one got cleaned the most.
Okay, well, let's keep it a secret for everybody else, okay?
Okay.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if you guys are ready. Thumbs up, all of you are ready. Ariana and Desiree. Mackie, are you ready? Yeah, you guys are ready? Good. Jonah, are you ready? Thumbs up? Oh, great. Okay, I see a bunch of thumbs up. Oh, Hap, are you back? You're back, you're ready. Okay, so the first one we're gonna see is where I have my paper towel, and it's, here, I'm gonna move my camera so you guys can see, and I'm gonna put my pennies, I labeled it, and we're gonna put the pennies there, okay? So the first one I'm gonna take out is the one in the lemon juice. Whoa, this looks so shiny, and I'm gonna dry it off, and I'm gonna put it down right above the lemon juice so we know which one it is, okay? And then I'm gonna stick my hand in the Coke and try and find it, because I can't find it, even looking at it. Let's see where it is. Oh, it's all the way down there. I'm gonna grab it and dry it off. And I'm gonna put it right above the Coke. And then I'm gonna do the same with the ketchup. Ooh, ketchup. Look at that. Ew. I'm gonna dry it off. I'm gonna get it. Oh, the ketchup is actually shinier than I imagined. And ketchup. And then I'm gonna stick my hand in the dish soap. And dry that one off. I'll put above the dish soap. Oh, we can go like that for that one. And then I'm gonna take the vinegar, one in the vinegar. I'm gonna dry that one off. And then I'm gonna move all my cups to the side and out of the way. Stick my hand back in there. Here, I'll move this down so we can see. Okay, and then give me a thumbs up once all your guys' pennies are out, okay? And maybe if you don't have a labeled paper towel, you could put it in front of the cup so you remember which one is which. Okay, give me a thumbs up once all your pennies are out. Thumbs up. Yeah, all of you have a question?
Yeah. I don't really like ketchup, so I was trying to get it out with scissors and it didn't really work, so I'm not gonna touch ketchup.
Okay, you don't have to. That's okay. Okay, give me a thumbs up once you guys are ready. I'm excited to see the results. You're ready? Okay, I see a few friends are ready. I see a few friends still cleaning off their pennies. It's a bit messy.
Mackie, do you have a question? Go for it.
My ketchup one did the best.
It did?
It's really
Wow, that's so shiny. Isn't that so surprising? I think Ashley was the only one who guessed ketchup.
Well, then she would be right. Mine one.
Hap, I saw your hand. What about you?
So let me show you the order.
Okay, yeah, let's see. I want to see if mine, because my ketchup one was really shiny, and I had another one that was really shiny, but I want to see if people's are different.
This one was Coke.
Okay.
This one was lemon juice. I think this one worked the best for me.
You think lemon juice works the best?
Yeah. This one was the vinegar. This one was the dish soap. And surprisingly, this one was the ketchup.
So which one do you think was the best, and which one do you think did the worst job?
So I think actually the ketchup did the best, for surprisingly. I think the vinegar, it didn't go through that well.
It didn't go through that well?
Yeah.
I know my vinegar didn't go through that well either. And so did my Coke. My Coke is really brown. It's almost like it didn't change at all.
Actually, mine didn't change.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, because one thing is that all the pennies could be different. So some could be dirtier than others, and some could be more eroded than others. And so that can also play a factor, and that they're not all eroded equally. So some will look better than others. But I think ketchup and lemon juice definitely did the best for me, and Coke and vinegar the worst. Does anybody else want to share what their results were? Yeah? Jonah?
In mine, vinegar and lemon juice were the best.
Oh, really? Can I see your vinegar one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that does look shiny.
Hi, thank you.
Does anybody else want to share?
So we had lime juice instead of lemon, and you cleaned it the most out of all of them. It's like a briny new.
I had lime juice instead of lemon juice too.
Yeah, oh, that's okay. It was either lemon or lime. I just have lemons in my house, so I used that one. But
Right. That's a good one. Nice job, Ariana and Desiree.
yeah, that looks really shiny and clean.
Thank you.
Of course.
Anybody? Yeah? Who else? Brian, do you want to share?
I also made the weirdest concoction, and look how the weirdest concoction turned out to do.
Oh, wow, that's so shiny. What was in your weird concoction?
Dish soap, the Pepsi, the vinegar, some soap, some water, baking soda.
Oh, wow, you mixed it all together. All the ingredients.
Well, not all of it. And maybe a touch of lemon juice, but I didn't do ketchup.
Oh, you didn't?
No, and look how it turned out, nice and shiny, actually.
Wow, that's so shiny.
And it was so surprising.
So surprising. I wonder, since ketchup worked the best for some people, I wonder if you put one in the concoction and one just separately in ketchup, if it would work, which one would come out.
I even have one soaked in ketchup right now. I want to see how it turned out.
Okay.
Peyton, it just came back on. What was the winner?
So the winner, surprisingly, was ketchup
Ah!
for most people. But also lime and lemon juice work too.
Isn't that crazy how much it cleans?
So crazy. Look how shiny. Everyone show Ashley your ketchup penny. Look at that.
It's like a shiny new penny.
I know. Exactly.
So not only did you friends learn to get 2 science experiments, you get to walk away with 6 cents.
Exactly.
Are we all done?
Yeah.
This was so fun. Thank you, Peyton, for subbing.
Of course, of course. Maddie, do you want to share? Maddie?
Maddie. There
Thank
she
you
goes.
for teaching me how to do science.
Oh, of course. Anytime. I hope you had fun. Did you have fun? Oh, good. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Oh, Brian, are you showing me your ketchup penny?
The penny, this is the penny, the winner, because it's shiny.
Oh, it is. It's the shiniest.
I was wrong.
This is the best class I've ever seen.
I know. Isn't it so fun? And who would have thought that ketchup would clean it the best?
Ashley.
Only Ashley. Only Ashley.
Okay, friends, it is time for you all to go eat your lunches.
All right.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye,
Clean up
everyone.
after yourselves. Thank you, Stephen and Peyton.
Yep. Thank you, Ashley.
We'll hope to see you guys next week for more Art Camp fun.
Yep. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.